how about like a medium level product that's like cheaper than what you can get in stores? That's the DTC movement that I'm waiting for.
Right. Like well, maybe if like the Google ad spend didn't like cost so much
Yeah,
that they could
exactly.
do that online.
Yeah.
Like IKEA is not spending any money on Facebook ads. Maybe that's their secret, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, which is funny because I mean, the whole, it's baked into the word itself, direct to consumer, is that,
Hmm.
usually going direct means that you're saving the costs of the middleman. That's like the
Right.
whole point, right? Like buy a factory direct, whatever, you're saving money because you're going direct to the factory. But yeah, like you're saying, like it's almost like the middleman are the advertising platforms.
Yeah.
And then the costs on those advertising platforms are going up and up and up and up. So it's like you still have a middleman, and maybe the middleman is even more expensive than the old middleman. Like, I want the
Right.
old middleman back. You know?
Facebook is now the middleman, and
Yeah.
everyone loves Facebook these days.
Everybody loves Facebook. That's that's an that's an uncontroversial statement. Everybody loves Facebook.